Good morning, Skip Simmons, Operations Section Chief with Rocky Mountain Team 1 with your operational update for the Goldfire. Still have Alpha Delta unstaffed here right above Ouray. We have Ridgeway right here. In Branch 1, we'll move into Foxtrot. Still continuing that suppression repair on the dozer lines with the excavators, as well as chipping operations going on. We also have a grader that will get into the area today. Following up, that'll be the last thing we do as we move out, is getting all the roads graded, is returned as close as we can to what they were originally when we got here. Moving into Hotel Kilo, again, a lot of the same, that suppression repair on the dozer lines, water bars, pulling that berm in for the erosion control. Also the chipping. Generally all on Branch 1, we're moving down from the top and coming, we're gonna all bring all that heavy equipment out through the bottom of Foxtrot there. Moving into Branch 3 in Division Papa Romeo, we have the Cimarron Mountain Road all graded, all equipment is out of there now. The big job we have going on is what we're calling the parallel lines here on the Forest Service property. We got equipment moved in there yesterday, and they will continue rehabbing and repairing that dozer line, working in from the south here, working out the north. 3 or 4 days, and they'll be moved up about halfway up. We have a group moving down and a group moving up, and they'll meet kind of where these two lines come together and then work their way out. We'll move down into the 858 here. We got all the chipping done in there, so that's just waiting for the grader to get in there and get that 858, which is a major access from Ridgeway to get into the Silverjack Reservoir area. Yesterday, we had suppression modules in Middle Fork. We're doing some hotspot, getting in there, cutting off logs so they don't just continue to burn, continue to create that smoke, and have the opportunity to continue to move this fire around in there. Today, they'll just keep an eye on it. If there's any need to go back in there, they'll assess the kind of the risk versus gain and the risk to firefighters. If it's worth, a lot of snags in there still, so if there's not a need, we'll stay out of there, but we'll just assess that as we go. Moving up north, Old Romeo, this dozer line moving east to west, that's the way they're repairing that line. They should expect to get done end of shift today, possibly tomorrow. Moving over to Division Uniform, they are still working on the slash piles up in the north, just cleaning those up, and then the masticator will follow in behind, kind of doing that mowing and basically weed eater work, just making it look good. And then the grader will come in there and tidy the roads up as we move our way out. We do have some excavators that have got into the Forest Service area down here, and they'll begin doing the repair work on that, moving from the south and then moving north. And Division Zulu still unstaffed. We will be taking a flight today and assessing some areas where we can maybe increase this containment in this area as well as over in the East Fork. And that's the end of the operational update. Thank you.